What is freelancing? Welcome to our very first category of tutorial. It lies in the category of IT. Why this topic first? Truly the reason behind choosing this category first is making interest about our channel. We always put attention to those things which give us some visual profitable outcomes. Freelancing professionals are growing so fast nowadays. USA is leading the freelancing sector as the concept was first developed there. In our subcontinent, a remarkable number of women are jumping on to this profession. If we take a brief idea, we have the below average data from different online survey. Globally, India ranks as the second largest freelance workforce after the US, with over 15 million people working independently in various. By the year of 2020, 15% of workers are expected to go freelance. Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there are about 30 to 40% workers working in this platform. Pakistan has also a remarkable percentage of freelancer worker, about 20 to 25%. According to Oxford Internet Institute of Oxford University in the UK, Bangladesh now contributes 16.8% of all outsourced online workers in the world, and it is growing day by day. The idea is spreading all over the world. Comparing to others, we are quite lag behind. In earlier days, we hadn't the internet availability in our country, but internet is available everywhere. Our course is designed in such a way anyone having any idea about earning through internet can be a professional freelancer. Perhaps he or she can be a full-time successful freelancer.